Welcome to another successful project by Best Garage Door and Gate Repair Services, your trusted experts in San Diego. Today, we're starting with this old, gray, short panel, non-insulated garage door that needed a complete overhaul to improve both functionality and style. We installed a brand new steel back, fully insulated long panel white garage door. The transformation instantly boosted the curb appeal of the property, while also adding superior insulation and long-lasting durability. The modern long panel design provides a sleek, clean look that complements the home perfectly, while the insulated construction helps maintain comfort in San Diego's climate year-round. To complete this upgrade, we also added a new belt drive, quiet opener by LiftMaster with enabled Wi-Fi and MyQ technology. This state-of-the-art opener ensures smooth, whisper-quiet operation and allows convenient control of your garage door from anywhere using your smartphone. Another happy customer thanks to the expert team at Best Garage Door and Gate Repair Services. If you're considering upgrading your garage door, contact us today for a free consultation. Like and subscribe for more home improvement tips and project reveals.